Today is the 19th of January 2021, which is a Tuesday, and the time right now is 22:22. It means 10:22 p.m. Budapest Standard Time. And these are my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. So let's jump right into it. Well, you're looking at my day. Actually, you're looking at the DAX 30 charts with the usual 15-minute zoom. And my day began right there at that gap. And you don't have to be a professional. I'm not a professional, but you don't have to be a professional to see that this day looks like a bunch of stairs. Like there's a lot of sideways action, sudden up, some sideways action, maybe a little transactable time, then straight down, then some little waves, but it's mostly like sideways, then straight down, then a little sideways. So it looks like a bunch of stairs. Like here's your little man, and little man can climb up the stairs. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad day, but there was a lot of tradable bits in all of this. And you know, Mohini Trade actually makes the trades that you program into it. Now, obviously, you don't have to be a genius to create these sets. These are the names of my sets, by the way. And I created 32 sets, and 32 sets are running simultaneously. I try to model each and every move in the market that I thought my indicators could possibly indicate some profitable periods. And these are the sets that kind of do that. The reason I'm explaining you this because I had a bunch of reds this time, nothing major, but you can see the name of the set is Birodalmi Guberáló. In Hungarian, it means imperial trash can diver. So it's technically an imperial trash can diver. It technically dives in for the crap, and it's not a very successful set, I'd say, but even in the past, it created a couple cent losses, but it created some really nice profits as well. But right now, today, maybe it's because of the market was different. The patterns were not similar. It didn't recognize them, but it created a lot of, relatively a lot of red. And there was a couple bigger numbers too. Like, I'm not talking about the $1.81, but later you'll see. So let me start scrolling. It's the usual scalping with the occasional $3, $4, $5, $6. You see $4, $3 here and there, but it's mostly scalping. $3.55 there. See, well, that's just a little loss. It's not by the Birodalmi Guberáló. See, the Birodalmi Guberáló actually made 13 cents profit, so it's not all that bad. Here, another profit by the Birodalmi Guberáló. It's 56 cents profit, but yeah, here another 5-cent profit. It's technically, I think it's like picking up all the crap, but this one, like 263. Now that is a lot bigger than normal. So I'm kind of paying attention to this Birodalmi Guberáló. A lot of reds. You see that? Oops, I highlighted the wrong one. So there's a lot of reds, but I still have my scalping numbers, so I'm a little bit spoiled, I know. But this one, look at this one, 683. That's a loss due to the Birodalmi Guberáló, the imperial trash can diver. So that's not very nice. So I'll probably be revising that set tomorrow because it's probably not for this market. But tomorrow is going to be a very special day, by the way, mentioning tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the big Joe Biden day in our friendly United States of America. So we'll see how the exchange market or the forex market reacts to the big news that Joe Biden is still breathing. Nah, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be a hater. All right, so let's go through it. It's just a bunch of scalping with the occasional $4, $5, $3 here and there, $5, $6. I believe that those $5, $6 happened or occurred when the market dropped, because that's when the Mohini Trade is instructed to place bigger lots. Because my normal lot size is 0.1, but when it places 0.4, those are the big ones, or 0.3 ones. Those are the big ones. When the market drops, it just drops a few of them, like 0 to 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, and so on, if it drops, because those are or when it climbs up, even that, because these are, I'm just looking at, these are like sell reverse, so these are when it goes up. Anyways, the total profit for my day is $188.52 US dollars, which is not so bad considering that most of these sideways actions, as much as I could see, were not very useful to us. It wasn't traded. So let's see my open positions for the day. I'm actually getting used to going to bed with open positions. I think this is the cost of doing business, $333.21. That's the total amount of my open positions. And you can see that I still have open positions lingering from the 14th, which was last week's Thursday. And today's what, Tuesday? So it's been a couple of days since I had those positions, but the swap fees are not that horrible so far. Well, we'll see tomorrow. So that's it, people. Let's take a look at my balance. My balance is $3,028.33. My equity is a bit lower. It's exactly my balance minus my open positions, and that's why it's $2,695.12. And if we want to take a look at my FX book, here's a refresh button for the dollars. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, crap. Okay, refresh button. I'm so clumsy with my fingers. Okay, so I just hit refresh. Are we going to get an ad or not? We'll see. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. All right, seems like no ad. So that's perfect. So my total gain for the last 25 days is 186.46%. But even with my open positions, it's 177.03%. That's still fucking amazing, people. Look at this. I don't like this view with the lots. Let me change it to the change. Come on. Disappear already. All right. So you can see today was a very nice day. It traded 6.55%. That's really nice. And that's the 186.46%. Or with my equity down. So this is my actual equity growth is 154.94%. So that's pretty decent, I'd say. And in case you missed my video from yesterday, which was exciting because I actually withdrew $2,500. And actually I left it at my broker's, inside my broker's web office. I put it in my wallet there because as long as I keep it at my broker's, I'm not supposed to pay taxes for it. I think that's the rule in the country I live in, but always ask for a help of a tax professional. But that's what I did because I wanted to have my initial $2,000 plus a little bit of gift, $500. It's like 25% reassurance that I've been doing good so far. So my initial capital is safe because I withdrew it. But I still have $3,000 in the game, people. The balance is a little over $3,000. Even with my open positions, my equity is close to $2,700, which is pretty neat. So altogether, that was my highest that I had, January 18th, yesterday. Oh, it's like fading away like history. Well, long story short, I just want to keep this in the game because that's my strategy. Because my initial capital is still here. I may start another trade somewhere. Who knows? I'll see what I can do with that. But in general, people, I just love watching this red line rise. It's a continual rise. And by the way, talking about rise, talking about winning, I completely am aware that failing or losing money or just crashing is completely part of the game. Failure is essential. I'm not trying to attract you or anything like that, but I'm aware that this could happen anytime. On the other hand, Mohini Trade is a lot stronger than me. I already had at least 4 or 5 occasions when the market went against me so badly that I was about to completely just go berserk, go bananas, and just close all my open positions, even if they were like, I was minus close to $1,500 in the minus, in the red, right? I was about to close some positions, but I'm glad I just I didn't do any of that crap because Mohini Trade was a lot stronger than me. It's not a human. It was just executing what I planned it to do, what I planned for it to do, I'd rather say. So that's it. If you like what I do, if you want to have your own Mohini Trade robot, I can help you get one. I can help you get yours. You don't have to buy it because it's $25,000 if you buy it like I did. You can also rent it for a couple $100s per month. So if you're interested in any of that, please drop me a line. My email address is in the description box below this video. And if you like what you see, hit a like, dislike, whatever. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. What else can I say, people? Thank you so much for your continued support, and see you tomorrow. Take it easy.